sitting outside with flat tires for the last 3 weeks. Pop this bad boy over. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited for that. I forgot exactly what the name of the color was. It's like electric blue or something like that. That's going to be freaking nice. Look at that color. That's freaking beautiful right there. It's going to get a chrome cross member and this beautiful blue lift kit. Oh, I'm really excited now. Really excited. Jonathan, your lift kit's here. Got stocks on one side, the big ones on the other. Your lift kit's here. Zach, are y'all about to pull this in and start the lift kit?
Dude, if we get a lift for it.
Hell yeah, lift kit's about to go on. That's the blue one that I showed you. It's getting a chrome cross member as well. It's gonna be freaking cool. My guy Jonathan. Oh, I'm super excited. Let's get it. We got Jonathan's lift kit finished up today, and I know that he's gonna be so freaking excited with how good it turned out. We finished up his 2500. So if you guys remember originally, we dropped it off with 2 flat tires, and all I'm gonna say is I'm pretty sure there was some foul play involved, and I think that somebody just was not too happy. Ultimately, the tires ended up flat, and that's all I'm gonna leave it at. But we dropped it off there in the back on a tow truck, and it's leaving today with a new 9-inch FTS kit. We got the chrome cross member up front. Absolutely love the chrome cross members. And then we did this like electric illusion blue or some crazy color. I'm gonna get flamed in the comments, and he's gonna hate me till the end of time because I could never remember for the life of me what the name of the color was. But it's this beautiful like dark blue, and it's got a little bit of flake in it. And I love the way that it accents the truck. It's really nice. You got the chrome cross member up front, and then you got the really nice blue. You can see it in the sun here. We got the upper control arms. You need that when we're doing a 9-inch on the 2500s. The whole lift kit is that nice blue color other than the cross member up front. So you got all your disc drop brackets in the front. You got your torsion bar brackets or the compression bars, whatever you want to call them, in the front, the blue, and then your hardware in the back, and your torsion drops on the side of blue as well. But Jonathan, your truck is ready to go. I can't wait for you to come see it. It turned out great. Honestly, I don't know how I could forget the new tires that we put on here. So he already had these 24x12 axe wheels, which I love axe wheels. They got a great brand, a bunch of great designs. But we did these 37 1350 or 37 1450 24 Furies, but they don't make a 37 1450 or 1350 24 Fury. They make this 365 45 24. So we got my man hooked up with a 365 45 24 Fury MT. Love the Fury MTs. If you guys are doing bigger tires, you know, bigger than a 24, and you can't get a Nitto or Toyo, definitely recommend the Furies. But hey, Jonathan, it turned out great. I can't wait for you to come see it. Look, so I wanted to try something that I haven't been able to do for a long time, and there was no better opportunity than now to do it. We finished up Jonathan's truck today, and I have to say, out of the 3, maybe because he's standing here, that this one is my favorite, but you guys know how I'm rocking with the lift kit gang, and we're gonna run down the list right here, okay? Title and thumbnail of today's video is what is the best lift kit of 2022? Now, it's taken us a little while in the video to get here, but this is the whole reason that I title and thumbnail the video this way. What is the best lift kit of 2022? In my opinion, there's 3 choices here, and if you've done business with me, then you know why these are my three favorites. These are the three that I push more than anything. You got your Mcgaughys lift kit, number one in my opinion. Today it's gonna be y'all's decision. FTS number two in my opinion, because they got that chrome. But last but definitely not least, they have the best customer service, they have the best warranties, they got a great just system set up. Probably sold more than anything that we do is the rough country in the middle. I forget what year your truck is all the time.
18.
I'm pretty sure his it's an 18 too. So let's run down the list real quick. Let me know what lift kit you guys think is the best side-by-side comparison that you're gonna get. 2018 GMC 2500 with the 9-inch lift kit. Now, we're gonna base this off of looks and appearance, okay? We're not looking at ride, we're not looking at price, we're not looking at height, because all of these trucks are gonna be a little bit different. We're looking strictly off crossmember appearance right now, okay? 9-inch FTS kit with the chrome front crossmember. One thing I really like about FTS is that they offer, if I can get it to focus, they offer the chrome crossmember. No other lift kit company that I know of other than Show Off, which is again made by FTS, offers the chrome crossmember. I really like the fact that they offer the chrome crossmember. It allows you to give a little more showy, flashy look to your lift kit. And then they offer in-house powder coating as well, right? So you can get blue, you can get red, purple, green, all kinds of crazy colors. And we've had a couple of examples here. But I will tell you, when it comes in black, the FTS crossmember is very bland and very basic. Not a lot of people are gonna roll with it. Sitting in the middle, we finished this one up today. 2021 GMC 1500. Got that beautiful red, Cajun red from GMC. But, so obviously you guys are gonna notice this one's sitting a little bit shorter. It's a 1500. But we got your go-to lift kit, that rough country. Ride's great, great customer service, good quality lift. I'm never gonna have any complaints out of rough country other than the fact that they don't really offer a good looking lift kit in my opinion. Ride's great, performs great, everything about the install is easy, but the look of the lift kit has never been my favorite. And the last one finished up today, and yes, so this truck was started sometime later last week. This one was done today, pulled in today and done, and this one was also pulled in and done today, and we'll get to that one at the end. But obviously my favorite out of the three gotta be the Mcgaughys kit. One thing I really enjoy about the Mcgaughys kit comes with the billet accents, comes with the billet faceplate on it, or the inside accent faceplate. I really love the rivets on the, or their screws technically, on the front of the lift kit. It has a lot more of a gloss finish than what the FTS kit normally comes with. The FTS kit has like a, I want to say it's like a 50 or 60 or 70% gloss, and the Mcgaughys kit's like an 85 or 90% gloss. So the Mcgaughys lift kit in general comes with more gloss black than what like an FTS or rough country does. You can definitely notice the difference where you have more of a matte finish here and more of a gloss finish here. Now, like I said, I'm not really worried about ride. I'm not worried about height or anything like that, because this high country is going to sit different than the 9-inch FTS that's down here on the end. This one's got 37s, and this one's only a 7-inch. I don't believe this one's a 9. It may have, actually, it may be sitting about 9, because I think it's got torsion keys on it right now. So this one actually may be sitting at 9 too. I'm not 100% sure. I do really enjoy the new body style 8-lug factory wheels in the trail wraps. Shout out Nitto, best tire of all time. Gotta throw that in there. But the point of the video is I have all three here today, and it's the first time in a long time that I've been able to show you all three side by side, my three favorites. So let me know in the comments what you guys like the most. Like I said, we got our FTS down here, 9-inch chrome, 6-inch rough country in that kind of a matte, semi-satin gloss, whatever you want to call it, 6-inch. And then we got your Mcgaughys with the billet accents, 7-inch, all gloss on the end down here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I did want to showcase this one real quick because I've told you a lot about this one. We did a 6-inch rough country on this one, and it got some 24x12 fuel with the spike lug nuts, fuel forged in the Venoms. Super classy look. We do it a lot. Always turns out great. I really like the red. I think, if you want my opinion, I think if I could take the Mcgaughys kit with that truck and that color, it's probably what I don't know why I thought your truck was different. That's not even this. It's the same truck. It's high country. I don't know why I thought it was a different truck. I'm just an idiot. That's all it is. I'm just an idiot. I think yours is my favorite though, just because you're standing here. Hey, yours is definitely gonna be my favorite because we got a bread gang decal going on there, baby. Maybe we should just ride over the. I'm just kidding. I don't want to mess up your top right corner. Who does your decals?
My boy Daniel and Griffin.
You want me to
press icon?
You want me to send you this logo so you can do it in your gold?
Yeah, bro.
I think it needs to be in your gold up there on the corner. But hey, I hope you enjoy the truck. I know that it's been here for a minute, but you know I appreciate you.
Anytime.
If you need anything at all, you come by and see me.
I'll be back.
One hell of a beautiful truck. I can't wait to do more to it. Y'all need to smash the like button for my guys. A beautiful truck. Beautiful truck.
We gotta do them Montoya lights next time, wheel lights, man.
Oh, we could definitely do that. Yeah. The quad rows?
Yeah.
JW, hook my man up with a set of quad rows. We need them ASAP.
All right, let me know.
That's what I'm talking about.